Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 5 with somehow pretty flawless display. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it, but let's check it out. So this Google Pixel 5 has a broken display, as you can see here, and this is common to Google Pixel smartphones. When you drop them on the corners, it will form colorful or white bands along the damaged area, and in this case it's on the right side of the display. But unfortunately, the Google Pixel smartphones have a very easy screen replacement procedure. As you can see here, we're not going to remove the back cover unlike Samsung smartphones. We're just going to pry open the smartphone by removing the display itself. But the adhesive is kind of strong on this one. So we're just going to take our time to reduce the risk of injury and of course component damage due to broken shards of glass. So right here, we're just going to remove this and lift it up on the right side, give it a 90-degree angle, and then remove this clip that holds onto the connector and remove the connector itself. So this old display will be put to the side, and we're gonna remove some components that are attached to it. Here we're gonna remove the old adhesive residue on the chassis, and this is the component that we were talking about. We're going to remove this and transplant this to the replacement display. So we have to be very careful because these are just important for the display to work. We also have some components to be aligned right here. When you put the replacement display, this component should be laying flat in this orientation. So David has a plan to align this one. It's gonna be tricky because the replacement display doesn't come with these components, so he needs to reuse these. And this is the magic of, and of course the benefit of repair. You have to replace only the components that are damaged and reuse the components that are still good. So reduce the landfill material that are still useful if you go to a professional repair technician. So all the components are transplanted. We're gonna try the replacement display, and let's boot her up. And as you can see, it's now working. No more white bands, and that's good. We're gonna shut it down. We will not be able to show you some of the testing because of the user data privacy. And here we're gonna install fresh adhesive to replace the old one, because there's no way you can attach the replacement display without these adhesives. It's kind of neat solution. I still prefer screws, but adhesives is kind of cleaner when it comes to glass and of course smartphones. So we're gonna install the clip now because we're gonna close the device for good. And we'll still be taking our time here, make sure that there's no gaps in the sides. We're gonna clean this up, and you know what that means. We're gonna install a free tempered glass on this Google Pixel 5 to prevent any more damage in the future. And this is how a professional will do it. As you can see, there's still bubbles, but David will just remedy that afterwards. So right here, we're gonna take some rubber bands and wrap it around the smartphone to let the adhesive cure. So if you have iPhones, Android smartphones, smartwatches that need screen replacement, battery replacement, of course charging port replacement, head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll do this kind of service to your own smartphone for a very reasonable price. We still offer other services that others repair shops don't offer, so don't be shy. So thanks for joining, guys. Click like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.